Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Jump right into it, see what's going on. So as we know, guys, the market has been all over the place. Very, very choppy. Up, down, left, right. And like I told you guys, they hit in the hot and cold tactic. The government, the feds, does this when they want psychology of the market to be all over the place and want the market to be very much more or less likely to be predictable. If you haven't noticed, about months ago, after retail investors swarmed the market, they started to switch up the algorithm. It's not just me saying it. They actually came out with articles stating that the market is going to be more difficult to trade going forward than it was before. As we know, guys, that's a shutdown or a blockage to stop millions of retail investors that swarmed the market during the AMC and meme stock frenzy. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on. The Dow rises more than 100 points. First Republic leads, regional banks higher. Stock rose Tuesday, building on Monday's rally. Traders continue to become optimistic following Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's latest reassurance to contain the banking crisis. So as we know, guys, with the banking crisis, Silicon Valley collapsing first, then right behind that, Signature Bank coming behind and collapsing. I told you guys that was going to happen before it happened. I know you guys remember when I was saying once one collapsed, multiple banks is going to start collapsing right behind it. And now articles start to pop up that it's a threat that 150 banks may collapse. That's insane. 150. So as of right now, things are easing, the market going up because of, at first, whenever this happened, the other banks and other lenders said they wasn't lending these banks any support, any money to help them out. Then all of a sudden they changed states of mind and was like, hey, you know what, we'll lend you some. And that what made the easing of this whole situation a bit better, and what made the stock market and everything start to rise. Bitcoin was already on the up and up, being for the fact that banking crisis happening, that would be a plus for Bitcoin. A lot of people moving over to digital currency, creating their own banks, being scared of what may happen with their money sitting in there. They know, judging by the history of Bitcoin, it may be a safer bet going forward. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. The Dow Jones gained 192 points. The S&P 500 rose 0.7%. NASDAQ climbed 0.6%, guys. So Tuesday morning, the government is ready to provide further guarantees of deposits in the banking crisis if the banking crisis worsens. So as we know, guys, they stated he's going to hit a hot and cold tactic with that. As you see the market going up, watch by the end of this week, they come out and say something drastic happen again within these banks or within the economy to make the market come right back down. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few individual stocks. As we know, everything's on the up and up today, right? But it's funny how they handpicked us, right? You got AMC up today, GME up today, Tesla up today, Snap up today, Carvana, Tilray, Lyft, you know, everything, Amazon, Coinbase, Upstart, everything's on my radar is up. Lucid, Airbnb, Affirm, Roku. How is this possible? Not as high as it possible. I know how it's possible. I know why it's up. But the thing is, Bed Bath and Beyond is down. It was up. It did good today, but steady cannot hold this gain. Steady hitting that resistance at 84, 85 cents. Now it's currently sitting at 81 cents. I'm pretty sure this thing is ready to do what to do, though, guys. But it's just the fact, I had to bring it to you guys' attention. I know you probably seeing the same thing, but that's just, whenever a great opportunity come about, wouldn't be surprised if they try to break it down and knock the price down lower before rerouting and shooting higher. Because whenever great opportunities like that come about, best believe they want to do everything they can not to hold it back and not let it run. So you already know what to do, though, guys. Just want to give you guys a quick update on the overall market, what's going on. So now you see all this bullishness. Don't be fooled, though. Be very, very cautious. Be meticulous. If you got stocks that you added into or holding for the long-term future, of course, great prices. But for the short term, if you're making money, you better go ahead and, sell it out and be ready to get back in on the dip, because the market is going to be very, very choppy going forward until we get into a better standpoint with the overall economy and come to a nice consolidation. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call full of gems. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.